flood out. And all the way out there, so. I chew him a press, man, that's why.
Just can't stop.
Yeah, any interpene a problem.
Any tap it goes so water. They can't eat over like that.
Yeah.
Everybody stop. And then the car starts struggling.
Yeah, man. When the people that come over.
Look like it gone all the way up a gas station. Yeah, man, up a gas station it gone. See, so me want to go round, so you know, I have to go walk all the way around this up and go round and come back round. Yeah, and this is out of Fairview, you see me, a little flood zone right there, so. If you go at stoplight at Herbert Morrison there, so. I want to go flood zone, you see me? Yeah. Whole heap of car or truck shit off tonight. See that? See all that bus here, this time man I try to cross it. See that? See how water wicked. Serious sitting not going on. I try to cross it.